Working with Michelle Vaskovsky has been a game changer for our YouTube presence. Her strategic approach helped us achieve outstanding results. Over 2.2K subscribers, 1.7M views, and a 7.9% click-through rate, all organically without any paid ads. We started by identifying key engagement challenges and delving deep into YouTube's algorithm. Michelle's expertise in audience analysis allowed her to craft a customized strategy that resonated with viewers and boosted interactions. Content creation was at the heart of this success. Michelle developed high-quality tutorials specifically tailored to audience preferences. Each video was optimized for YouTube's algorithm, ensuring maximum reach and engagement. SEO played a critical role in increasing discoverability. By integrating targeted keywords, compelling titles, and detailed descriptions, Michelle ensured that our content consistently ranked higher in search results, driving organic traffic to our channel. Analytics were a vital part of the process. Michelle continuously monitored key performance indicators, identifying what worked and making dynamic adjustments to the strategy. This data-driven approach ensured consistent growth. Community building was another essential element. Engaging directly with our audience through comments and social media created a loyal base of followers, encouraging repeat visits and organic word-of-mouth growth. The results speak for themselves. Significant growth in both subscribers and views, proving the effectiveness of Michelle's data-driven and organic strategies. This case highlights the power of strategic planning in achieving lasting success. For any business owner or marketer, Michelle's approach provides a blueprint for leveraging platforms like YouTube. Her focus on quality content, SEO, and audience engagement ensures sustainable growth and the creation of strong online communities.